lives of hundreds and thousands of blind people. She married and became Dorothy Harris Eustace and moved to...
With the fifth prize, which is a green ribbon. Just to get here is a tremendous achievement. I mean, some of you had to beat a number of folks just to get out of your county competition to come here to what is really the state competition. So please accept our congratulations. 10 very good finalists today.
You're welcome. Have fun at the show.
Famous island sauce. It's superb for marinating chicken fish or veal. Use it as a scampi sauce, or shrimp scampi, call it. Add it to toast for a wonderful, authentic tasting garlic dip. You can even use it as a dipping sauce.
And our remaining 2 entries.
What do you think of all the ingredients here, Pancho?
I love it.